Hello friends, welcome to Sudhas Veg Recipes. Today we are making a simple recipe, a one pot meal, that is vegetable pulao. So let's get started. I have heated a pan over here to which I am adding about 1.5 tablespoons of ghee. Yes, pulao should be preferably made in ghee. To this I am adding about 2 or 3 bay leaves, to cardamom, a very small piece of cinnamon, 2 cloves and some cumin seeds with some black peppers. Stir a little, not much. Let's add onions and green chilli, also some ginger finely chopped. Once the onions sweat a little, I will add these cauliflower florets. Cut them into small pieces. Next I am adding some mixed vegetables, potato, carrots, capsicum, beans and some evi gourds or tendli. So let's mix all these also over here. Finally, some green peas. These are frozen green peas. You can use fresh ones also. Add some salt so that vegetables become tender soon. You can add some turmeric if you want. I am not adding over here. Next I am adding some Pulao biryani masala. You can use Shahi biryani masala, about 1 tablespoon of it. And finally this 1 cup of soaked Basmati rice. I had soaked it for about half an hour. Saute it with vegetables for at least 1 minute so that the flavors get infused well. Keep the flame medium to high. Keep sauteing. And now let's add some water. 1 cup to first. Some more salt to taste. And another cup of water goes into this. And let's cover and cook this till the rice is done. Let's check on our pulao now. So this is done. All the vegetables and rice have cooked well. The aroma is so good. Finally, add a teaspoon of desi ghee, which will enhance flavor to next level. And now let's serve this into a bowl. Hope you will like this one pot meal recipe, a traditional Indian one. If you want to see some other authentic recipes or some modern recipes, please do comment down in the comment section. I will try to give a video of your choice. See you next time. Bye bye.